He told me try them out if they don't
We out here with the fellas. It's not a lot of us, but we out here getting some runs in. And I'm gonna give you guys more runs. Try to come out every Saturday, every Sunday. And last week, Christmas Day, it fell on a Sunday, but we could not do any runs. It was too cold. It was foggy, and it was just a bad day to come out here and do Sunday runs. But we are here. We're gonna get some runs down. They're gonna be coming down in a minute, and they're gonna be coming there hot, a couple at a time.
aged for years.
Okay, here they come. Who is up?
Sí.
Me dio modo 3 modos. Me dio modo 3 modos. Hey, heads up!
Heads up! Here's the other group coming. Here's the other group. That's 3-4 wide. Heads up! Move it. That was a good run right there.
Oh, I wasn't. I said, all right. Just go without that. Just come on back down there. How about that? You ready? It's cool down enough for you?
The man said he wasn't focusing on you. He was focused on the booster, and that's it. Block, if you get this one, he can't say nothing else.
Even if he gets this one,
but what you trying to say? You was in focus. He was in focus.
Don't worry about it. Come on, bro. changed it.
Oh, it's going back.
You going for the back same color?
I'm painting all the car.
Oh, you gonna paint it?
Yeah, I'm painting it over.
What's the name gonna do it, or you gonna do it?
I'll have
Tulo gonna do it, right?
yeah, I'm gonna do the Avant black on all my carbon pieces. So it's black, and go back to my.
What the fuck does an arm got to do with anything?
Fucking 3 bikes in the beginning. That's what has to do with it.
It don't got shit to do with it.
Shut up.
I ran the same way with a fucking stock wheelbase bike.
Now you're right.
He don't like that shit. He angry.
I'm not angry. Fine.
I didn't even say nothing the last time we raced, dog. What the fuck, dog?
Bullshit came over here. No, bro, we gonna run that back.
It's all right, man. Can't win for losing.
I still love you, bro.
He angry with me right now.
That was a good run, John. I think that was at not even half a bike.
That was a better run.
I'll show off to a bunch of men.
What you say? Try to show off to a bunch of men.
What you got on there? 42?
Shit, I had a 40. I had a 41 on mine.
I did it because of the 190 that I had on.
What are you going to 41?
I don't know if I can tell you yet. What you think? 41? Huh?
Why are we whispering?
Why you don't post that. Don't post that shit. Don't post that. Don't post it.
You recording?
Yeah.
Just don't put that shit out.
No, I ain't gonna put it out. I got you. I ain't gonna put it out. Here they come. See that, right?
Ouch.
Jim shit is not fucking off, boy.
He let that shit build up for like 6 months or some shit like that. He kept coming out with the jigsaw.
If I would have known you was gonna be here, I would have told you to come by my house. I could have gave you my tuner box.